In front of me I've got Motorola One Macro, and let me show you how to activate spell checker on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open system. Here go to the languages and input. Now go to the advanced options and you will notice spell checker. Smoothly click on it. If you would like to deactivate it, just mark the switcher. As you can see, now it is not on, it is not active. And then whenever you would like to enable this feature, just click here. Then you can smoothly change the languages and set up the default spell checker right here. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.